Discipline creates a habit, and habit creates a routine, and routine creates daily things. If we make any things in routine, at that time we thought we do everything in a proper way, but we don't make our routine. Means we make, but we don't follow it in our life. That's why our life is not so easy. If we make a routine of everything, at that time our life will make a very easy. But uh, but sometimes uh, but sometimes we thought, if someone has a time, then they make a routine. Means much time, but some people has not a proper time for everything. That's why they thought that if I make a routine, then my all things are like a mess up. We said that in government colleges or in government schools, student has not a discipline. We thought that, but I also saw a but I also thought means also saw students of who study in private schools. I watched them. They also have not much disciplines. And we also said that online classes is too good. Means online classes is better than offline classes. But no one know about, and no one thought about that things in online classes, where the point of discipline. If we came in any coaching or in school, at that time we know that, and we fear from our teacher who teach us, because we know that if he get anger from us at that time, he beat us, and he gave a punishment to everyone. That's why we maintain our discipline. But in sometimes we thought if we go schools and coachings, at that time we invest our time in a wrong way. At home we learn a lot of things without wasting our time. So we thought if we at our home, at that time we concentrate on our study very well. But we don't have a much discipline, and we don't learn how to sit in schools and coachings, and how we treat each other when our teacher in front of us. At that time we thought only about ourselves. We don't thought who is present or not. So according to me, if we join our offline classes, then we know how to treat in our areas, means where our environment of study. And offline classes, there's a create a environment of study, and we know everything about well in government colleges. There's a student mostly don't join the colleges, because they thought if we go college, besides we join coachings. But this is important, because if we go in that type of environment where the climate is like a study, so there we learned a lot of things. So that's all.
All of you.
Good evening.
So how are you all?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. So I would like to say thanks to my respected sir, who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So now I telling about discipline, and second social media. So discipline is very important for every students and for every pupils. If you have discipline, then you go outside, and if you don't if you are not educated, then you have discipline, then people thought about you it is a educated person. So now I telling about social media. So social media is a tool for everyone. Social media use everyone in our world. There are many types of apps just like YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, Insta, and many other, and etc. So if you want to talk and saw anyone, then you open WhatsApp and chat anyone, and if you want to saw, then that time you do video call, and if you don't know anything, then you open Google and you searched anything, just like our country, and you don't any vocabulary, then you search it. Then Instagram, it is very important for some people, because it is some people crazy for it, because many people use it and make reels and upload it for that app. And YouTube, if you saw any type of video, then you searched in YouTube. So I saw a news of a girl. That girl used mobile that time he crazy for it, and he don't about that his mobile is become heat, and after that mobile is blasting, and her face and also her hand also burn because of mobile, because that girl is not pay attention on that. So everyone use mobile and misuse mobile. So that's why our generation is bad because of mobile. So now children said our parents that I need a mobile because I study for it. So now parents give him mobile for study, but children don't study on mobile, but they misuse it a lot in now time. So that's all.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. So, first of all, thanks to my respected sir who has given me a such golden opportunity to stand here and speak something about my today's topic. So, today's topic is discipline. Discipline is most important in our life. If we are not in discipline, then every people judge us and judge our family. If we go anywhere and we are kidding, but someone looks us and that people saw him and said, look at that people, he is not disciplined, and he also judge their family. If that person who judge, he don't saw his people, his person and his family members are in discipline or not, but he judge others people, he is disciplined or not. So now I am telling how to bring discipline in our life. First, we talk to everyone in sweet ways. When we talk to everyone in sweet ways, then no one talk to you in bad ways. It doesn't matter that person is good or bad, but we talk in good ways. Yeah, some people's like that who talk, if you talk in sweet ways, then that people is talk to you in bad ways. It's that person's problem. It's not our problem. We only talk in sweet ways, and we obey the time, and we do any work within discipline. Discipline learns importance. Discipline learns our importance. I am telling a story in past time. And then Mahatma Gandhi, in Mahatma Gandhi's village and his house, I don't know where, and in that kitchen someone makes a food, and there's a limited time. In that time every people present here and then come and join us for food. and when every people getting late, and then kitchen's gate is locked, and in those peoples in the kitchen who finished her lunch or food, whatever what the time about, it's depend on the time, and that people's punishment of that, when that people who is in kitchen, and after that we wait out of the veranda. And sometimes ago Gandhi ji also getting late, and when he go there, and the kitchen's gate is locked, and he stand in the veranda, and Gandhi's friends come, and he said, Bapu, you also today coming late, and he said, yeah, I'm coming late. So his friend said, I go and take chair for you, and he said, no, I don't sit in a chair. When his friend said, why? And he said, I don't sit because today I am getting late, but sometimes ago many people come and getting late, and those people also stand, those people are not sit, so that's why I also don't sit. And Gandhiji don't sit, and his friend said, okay, if you don't want to sit, then I don't take a chair for you. So I tell in my ways, if anything is in two ways. And if I tell an example, when we saw red signal, if when we saw red signal, then we stop in a traffic area. When we stop ourselves, otherwise cops come and stop us. So if we do that work that we do in ourselves, why we depend on any people's? If we do any work, do ourselves. That's why I said that if you do any work, do in yourself, and discipline learns your importance, and we obey the time. That's all.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. So today I told you about discipline. Discipline. You know that discipline is a key of success in our life. If we maintain our discipline, then we do everything on time. But if we don't maintain our discipline, then you saw that we think that we do this work on time, but due to some condition we don't do it properly on time. Discipline is including a lot of rules, not much rules, a lot of rules, because you saw that in a private schools, not every, but some student make a discipline, and when you look them, then you think that this child is so much disciplined because of his outlooking. Then you think that this child is much disciplined, and this every pupil, when every pupil saw anyone, then he think if his behavior is good, then pupil think that this child is disciplined, and pupil also judge your family by your discipline, and they also watch your activity, what you do, and after that they judge you and also your family. If your activities and your language is good, then they think that this child and his family is so much disciplined, and he have a lot of manners. Then otherwise our children do misbehave at the same time, then they think that if his family as well his family is good, and his family is disciplined, but if the child do misbehave, then pupil also judge his family that in his family this thing is happening, so that's why this child is doing this. So I know that we do a lot of sacrifices in discipline, because when a child get up at 4 a.m., then he sacrifice his sleep, and mostly student means they sacrifice means they like playing, but because of his discipline of study, then they sacrifice his playing, and many things they sacrifice there. That's all.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to say thank you, my respected sir, for giving me such opportunity to stand here. So today I am telling about discipline. Discipline play a very important part in everyone's life. Discipline tells what is the importance of rule in everyone's life. No one can success in their life without any no one can success in their life without discipline. Discipline means self-control on our mind. It helps to improve in our habits and manners. Discipline learn how to we use our time in right way, and then we discipline in our school. We also discipline in our school, colleges, and office firms, etc. Now I am telling a story. How can we use our time in right way? A farmer lived in North Iceland, and this place is very. He lived in very bad place because at that place there many times in that place are thunderstorms or a thunderstorm happening, and a farmer wants a worker for their field, and no one can do the work at their field. He give the advertisement on newspaper. So a man come there to him, and he said, I do the work in your field. So he said, and the man come, he is so slim, and he said, I do the work in your field, and he said, okay. A day thunderstorm is happening. So the farmer take lamp and go to the worker, and he awoke him, and he said to him that you go in field and tie the crops and close the gate properly. And the worker already said to him, I sleep when air blow. That time air also blow, so he can't go. And the farmer think I shoot him at that time. Then he go. The worker completed all the work. He tied the harvest properly and closed the door properly. And this is the end of the story. The worker don't do work properly at that time. The farmer killed him. But he do the work on time, and he don't give him any mistake. That's all.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
First, I thank my respected teacher who has given me the golden opportunity to stand here. And my today's topic is discipline. Discipline is the most important thing of everyone's life. I think if we do work hard and with discipline, then we can get everything. Many people think that discipline is not good, but I don't think, because his mentality is not good. Everybody wants to get a success, but they can't success because they don't work hard. They work hard but not discipline. So I think if they work hard and as well as discipline, then they can get everything and get success. That's all.